Welcome back to Felt Sense Poetry by myself, Sue Strong. Today's poem is going to be read um, called "A Listen Between Beneath the Noise." Actually, but listen beneath the noise. So sometimes the mind runs really fast, and life feels just that little bit too loud. So this poem is an invitation for you to pause and to listen beneath the noise of life and busyness, and to meet the quiet wisdom waiting beneath that when we slow it all down. So as you're arriving and settling into this um, reading, so just notice maybe something around you in your space. This is called orienting. So it's that ability to be present and really notice what is around you. So just notice something that feels pleasurable, that lands, something you maybe don't really normally look at, little color, shape. Just begins to allow the system inside just to slow down just that little bit with that nothing special to do. And then beginning to notice all the ways that your body is supported, like with the feet, the legs, the bottom, the back. So just allowing that little holding, that little support while I read this and just see how it lands for you. Just see, what happens. So there's such a difference between a concept and an experience. You know you should, you wish you could, but some powerful, invisible force prevents the change you so long for. So used to seeking guidance from thoughts and feelings that somehow don't reach that still, quiet, deep knowing of the body. Yet something special happens when we do. So caught in the speed of life that even doing things the body loves gets rushed, not noticed, not felt. So we stay in the mental and emotional loops which frustrate us, keep us stuck, and fuel our inner judgments. Our gift is to listen, really listen, beneath the noise, beneath the distractions that we use to soothe our confusion, our chaos, our need to run from the being that is us, that is lost in the doing. When we allow the full connection of that whole breath, that whole movement, that whole need to stop, to rest, to settle in to the place of no destination except being in this moment right now. Slowly, some part of you that's so exhausted, lost, and trying so hard begins to sense the safety within through a willingness to listen to yourself in new, fresh ways beyond concepts. Initially, it may not feel as exciting as those familiar distractions, those addictive pleasures that keep us going. But this is a different pleasure where you come to know yourself, tend to yourself, resource yourself, to heal parts of you in this act of loving listening that was previously not safe to reveal and blossom into what may be needed now beyond the stories. This is so much slower, like a gorgeous song that reaches the places so needing love and strength. with belief that anything is possible when you listen beneath the noise without judgment. Just allowing all of that to land and to settle, the key little sparkles that have touched you in some way. So I really appreciate you showing up and listening, and I hope that these words bring you a moment of rest and presence and loving attention. And if it has touched you, I'd love for you to subscribe to my channel, to like the posts, to share the link with others that may be supported by this work. Um, and just return here whenever you need that gentle reminder to slow down and to listen within. So bye for now, and I'll be back.